Mahanadi is Odisha's lifeline. Along the course of Mahanadi, there are countless villages inhabited by fisher folks in the pristine natural environment. The Satkosia Wildlife Sanctuary divides Mahanadi into two parts. In the upstream is the plateau of western Odisha upland, and in the downstream is the vast plain of coastal Odisha. The Satkosia Wildlife Sanctuary is one of India's incredible geographical wonders. The Gorge Sanctuary is surrounded by the majestic hills of the Eastern Ghats and Chotanagpur Plateau and is home to a significant population of elephants, crocodiles, turtle, birds, both seasonal and migratory, leopards, wild boars, reptiles, and a range of herbivorous animals. For ages, people living on its banks have adopted three ways of life: fishing, farming, and forest gathering. Rautpada is a small fishing village located in the buffer area of Satkosia Wildlife Sanctuary. Spread on the bank of the river, Rautpada is inhabited by fisher folks. Here, the scene of the mighty Mahanadi is not only spectacular but also filled with immersive stories. However, when you talk to the villagers, you listen to the countless challenges faced by them.
ଆମେ କେମିତି ଆସିବେ ମନେକର ଏ ଗାଁକୁ ଆସିବେ ସେମାନେ କେମିତି ଦେଖିବେ ଆଉ କେମିତି ମାଛ ଧରା ହୁଏ ଏଇଠି ପ୍ରକୃତିକୁ ଏନ୍ଜୟ କରିବେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସହିତ କଥା ହେବେ ଦରକାର ପଡ଼ିଲେ ଏଠି ଖାଇବେ ଇଭେନ୍ ରହିପାରିବେ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏକରେ ଆମ ଯେଉଁ ଭାଇମାନଙ୍କର ଜଳସେଚନ ଏକରେ ନାହିଁ, ସେଇଠି ଜମିବାଡ଼ି ଚାଷ କରିବା ପାଇଁ, ତାପରେ ମାଛ ଫାଛ ମାରିବା ପାଇଁ ନଦୀରେ ଏଇଭଳି ଅଛି, କାହାର ଜାଲ ନାହିଁ, କାହାର ଡଙ୍ଗା ନାହିଁ, କୌଣସି ପ୍ରକାର ବି ଦୁଃଖ ଧନ୍ଦା କରିବା ପାଇଁ ବହୁତ ଅସୁବିଧା। ତାର ଆମର ଏଠି ପୋଖରୀ ଗାଡ଼ିଆ ବି ନାହିଁ, ଆଉ ସେଥି ତ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ବହୁତ ଅସୁବିଧାରେ ଲୋକ ଅସୁବିଧା ସମ୍ମୁଖୀନ ଚଳିବା ହେତୁ ବି ଲୋକ ଆମର ଯାଇକି ବାହାରେ ଯାଇକି ଖଟୁଛନ୍ତି। ଆଉ କ'ଣ
ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି ପ୍ରାୟ କେରଳ, ତାମିଲନାଡ଼ୁ, ଚିଲିକା ଗାଁରୁ ପ୍ରାୟ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି 50-60 ଲୋକ।
It seems the idea of sustainable tourism has never been thought here. Sarna Educational and Cultural Services LLP, which works towards empowering native and indigenous communities through sustainable tourism projects, had recently surveyed the village to tap its immersive tourism potential.
today I am at Raupada, which is a village on the bank of Serene Mahanadi River. So this village is inhabited by the fishing communities. Behind me, all the community members of the village, they are all fishermen, and we are going to we are at the river now through a boat and going to document the entire fishing activities in the morning. So, but unfortunately, it is a foggy morning. We can't. The visibility is very low. So we are waiting for the sun to come out.
After the interaction was over, we proceeded to a river island in a fishing boat. The tranquility of the morning and the calmness of the river worked like a balm to relieve the stressful mind. A 10-minute ride drew us to the island where a small hill stands in solitude. We did not realize how the time passed. Throughout the boat ride, we were occupied listening to the local stories. During the ride, our attention was drawn to a pair of ruddy shell dogs, to what locals call chakora pakhi. We also met a few women plucking sunsunia saga, a kind of leafy vegetables that grow in abundance on the edge of the river. The sandy riverbank of the river is a place of seclusion. The gentle breeze in the morning lifts your soul to full of ecstasy. Your village companions show you around the sandy island. There are numerous activities from praying sun god to bathing in the cool water of the river. Here the natural world beautifully blends with the cultural world. Then you climb to the top of a small hill. There is a small shrine of a local goddess at the hilltop. After spending an hour, you return to the village to embark on the further journey.